Make sure there are at least 3 sheets in the paper cassette. Press and hold the cancel button for around 3 seconds. Release the button when the machine starts printing. The printer will print 3 pages. The first page is a test print with a grayscale. In the second page, you'll find the firmware version, the remaining amount of toner. 100% is full, while 0% is empty. The page is printed with the toner cartridge that is installed in the printed, and other informations. In the second page, there are informations about the network configuration, IP address, and so on.